Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and in this video we are going to make a delicious sangria. And remember that all of the ingredients with the measurements can be found at sweetysalado.com. The first step is to cut up all the fruit that we're going to use for this recipe. So I'm going to start with some navel oranges. I'm going to slice them first, and then I'm going to cut each slice into quarters. And remember that to make this recipe, you can use any kind of fruit that you want. You can use lemons, you can use grapes, berries, and even pears. I'm also going to be using a red apple. I'm using a gala apple because it's sweeter. And then I'm just going to remove the core and then cut it into small chunks. And to make it easier, I'm just going to slice it up, and then I'm going to cut each slice into small pieces. We're also going to use a green apple, and we're also going to cut it into small pieces. And once we have all of our fruit ready, we're just going to add it into a large pitcher or a jug or even a big bowl. And to this, we're going to add red wine. It doesn't have to be an expensive wine, but it has to be a good wine that you enjoy to drink on its own. And I love to use Cabernet Sauvignon, Rioja, or even Merlot for this recipe. Now we're going to add orange juice. I like to use fresh orange juice. Then you can also add brandy or cognac. And we're going to finish it off with some white sugar. We're going to stir it really well, and then we're going to store it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours before serving. To serve it, we're going to add some ice, 2 wine glasses or regular drinking glasses, and then we're going to pour in the sangria until each glass is about 3/4 of the way full. Then we're going to top it off with some sparkling water, or my favorite lemon lime soda or ginger ale soda. Then we're going to add some of the fruit from the sangria, and we garnish it with some of the oranges. And that's how you make a delicious sangria. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And as a reminder, the list of all the ingredients with the measurements can be found at sweetysalado.com.